Calling for Maria, lost without Maria, by diving on Maria.
So for this part, we're just going to use the 100% acetone, and we're also going to be using cotton rounds, and we're going to use these to remove the paint off the midsole. So as you can see, on one shoe we've removed all the paint from the midsole, so there's no more white, there's no more metallic color, it's just plain midsole, just foam. And on the other shoe there's still some color on, so you have to repeat the process on the other shoe as well. So for the next process, we're going to use the same acetone and cotton round combo, and we're just going to do the same thing that we did to the midsole, all to the uppers, so we can remove any gloss, so we can have a clean canvas to paint on.
They say Trippie ready, sing 100 rounds right at your brain. Too caught, don't know no names, yeah. Yeah, we don't play no games. Yeah, we don't play no games. In the morning, know that I'm switching ways. Yeah. Ooh, I'm a crash, yeah. Smoking swings and lanes, I've been crash whipping. Moving full speed, do the dash whipping. I'm a crash in it, I'm a splash in it, I'm a crash whipping. Seven booze, got my feet long. Niggas getting left at the street light.
For the next part, we're going to be using Angelus Direct Paint. We're going to be using flat white and metallic in order to paint the midsoles and the uppers. And we're also going to be using some paintbrushes, which you can buy at any paint store.
I'm a splash in it, I'm a crash whipping.
So for the shoe to look nice and crispy, I did apply about 3 coats of white paint on the uppers and 3 coats of white paint on the midsoles. For the metallic, I did apply anywhere between 8 and 10 coats, just because the metallic was very liquidy and very thin. Remember when applying coats of paint to do very thin layers at first and then build up, and to avoid leaving streaks. So for the sock liner, it was actually really off-white and looking dirty. So what I did was I got some flat white and I mixed it with some water so it wouldn't be too stiff. And I started painting the outside of the sock liner for it to look nice and white.